Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change page margin only from last page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change page margin on the last page. Go to the last page and click the top. Then go to the layout menu and click breaks option and choose next page. Then go to the margin option and choose margin white. And we can see the margin of the last page change on white very easily. Now you can see we change page margin on the last page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.